We'll guide you through how to cut sphere in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because beginners using Blender often struggle to understand basic modeling tools like edit mode, loop cuts, and views. They need simple guidance to practice shaping objects. First, open your Blender application by clicking its icon on the desktop to start the process. Once it is fully loaded, press A on your keyboard to select all objects in the scene. Then press X and confirm the delete command to clear everything from the workspace. After that, press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Go to the Mesh section and look for the sphere option in the list. Select it to add a sphere object into your scene. Next, press Tab to switch from Object Mode to Edit Mode so you can modify the shape. Then, go to the front view by pressing numpad 1 on your keyboard. After that, press Z to open the shading options and choose the wireframe view so you can see through the object. This will make it easier to work on the geometry. Next, press Ctrl and R to activate the Loop Cut tool, then place it on the part of the sphere where you want to cut. Once the cut is positioned, press X and choose Vertices to delete the selected part. You can repeat this process to make any other cuts on the sphere as needed. Continue using Ctrl and R to add more cuts and remove sections by deleting vertices. When you want to see the back side of the object, press Ctrl and numpad 1 to switch to the back view. From there, continue to cut the sphere carefully, following the same steps as before. Make sure each cut is placed correctly to achieve the shape you want. Take your time while editing so the structure remains clean and organized. Finally, review the sphere by moving the scroll button on your mouse to zoom in and out and inspect your work from different angles. This will help you ensure that all cuts are correct and the object looks as